guys, welcome back to my channel to another video. Hope you're all doing really well. So today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys my skincare routine nighttime. So this is me after work. My hair is still obviously done up, but what first thing I want to do is wash my, I guess kind of damp my face before I put on any product. So CeraVe, then I go in with the CeraVe face cleanser. These have honestly saved my skin and dark spot and hyperpigmentation as well that I had. My skin definitely looked so much better after I started using this product, so I definitely recommend it. Next thing I go in with this brush. This sonic brush is just good. It also has it also vibrates if you need it to, gives you that extra massage, but I honestly use this every single night to exfoliate and also get rid of any oil or dead skin from the day. I really use it religiously, guys, because I find that if I don't, I feel like it just, yeah. So then I go ahead and wash my face and use a face cloth to just dry pat. I don't rub, but honestly just dry pat my face because everyone says that's always good. So then I go in and I use this, I forget soap that I got. It's like a carrot soap and I feel like it really leaves my skin nice and smooth, and also is something that is also helping me with my skin, and I've just found it really great on like days when it's really hot and my skin just feels really oily in my face. So then I go ahead again and wash that off and dry pat that, and yeah, just realized my braid is actually coming off my hand. Then after that, I pretty much only use those two products. Then to wash my face. Then I go in with the ordinary product. I love this oil. It has really like helped my face, like I guess kind of turn it up a bit. I use it every single night again on my face. I am a huge fan of some of the ordinary products that I use, and yeah, I just find them to be really good for your skin. If you guys haven't tried them, make sure you definitely try out some of the oils. The hyaluronic acid is probably one of my favorite ones. But yes, I used to have really bad like acne, but it's cleared so much. I think you can still see a little bit of the scarring on my chin and also on the side, but it has improved so much, guys. And honestly, sticking to this routine has really helped. On days where I have not stuck to this routine, I definitely notice a difference. Like after a few days, I can see my face and also like around my chin. Like I start getting all the pimples and all the whiteheads all of a sudden turn into like these big pimples. So definitely this routine, stick to it. And I also don't use a lot of product because yeah, it just, I found out the more I use the product, the more it just, yeah, it makes my face worse. So I literally stick to maybe like 5 products and that's it. Then I go in and I massage myself with these because you really need to tone your skin. Then I go in with the hyaluronic acid from the ordinary products again. You guys, you probably have heard this product and everybody uses it. Everyone has it, and it's honestly so good for your skin. And yes, it really helped with my acne. As you can see a little bit still on my side there, that I still have that big black one there, that dark spot there. That was just from when my visitor was coming, so that normally happens. I get this one big pimple, which that doesn't help, um, and it's that time of the month, so then that normally leaves a bit of a dark spot. But I'm just looking for like something that I can use for all my little dark spots, which I have not found a cream to like help with it, but hopefully if I do find one to help with dark spot, I'll definitely share it with you guys. So then I'm making sure I really massaging the oil. Then I go in and I add just a little bit under my eye because I have found that when I put it just before I go to bed under my eye, it tightens my under eye, and I don't use an eye cream, so I pretty much use these as my eye cream. So yeah, and I find that it works for me. So yes, this is pretty much what I do to try and work my eyes. And yeah, I just don't dry it off. I let it um, dry, and you just feel your face tighten a bit, which is what it's supposed to do. And that is pretty much what I do. Then I go in, of course, don't forget to moisturize your lips, because yeah, we want to have dry lips like mine. But I do these every single night to just make sure. I use Vaseline actually every night for my lips, because you wake up with nice fresh plump lips. So make sure you're moisturizing your lips before you go to bed, guys. With a lip balm, or I find Vaseline is probably like one of the best to use. So yeah, that is my nighttime skincare routine. I keep it very simple, just so I can, you know, minimize the amount of product I use. So thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video, guys. Bye.